Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I did this black to blonde transformation. I started with Pravana Pure Light Power Lightener, the blue kind, and 30 volume. I am keeping this off the scalp. Like I said, I am applying this off scalp. I'm keeping it anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch off the scalp, and I'm taking very thin slices and being sure to saturate both sides evenly. After we let the ends fully process to a light yellow blonde color, I'm going in and hitting his shaved sides and his scalp. For this, I am using the same lightener but with 20 volume for on-scalp application. This is where things should start to speed up. It should take about half the time, if less, for the roots and the sides to catch up to the ends, color-wise. After we are sure to thoroughly saturate, we're gonna let him sit, cap on until all of it is one level. I then went in with purple shampoo, no toner. Here's before and here's after.